Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing my simple makeup routine. This is the makeup I wear all the time when I'm going out and I want to put on a little bit of makeup. I put it on. I'm not a makeup artist. I haven't been to school for makeups. I don't know how to do makeup. I just do a basic makeup, and this is a basic makeup routine I do to go out. Not like I'm not like going out on the function. When I'm going out to important function, I try to get my makeup done by a makeup artist. But if I'm just doing a little running around, going to the grocery store, I feel like putting on makeup, going to the mall, going to the movie theater, I just do my simple makeup routine. And this for people that don't know how to do makeup. I'm trying to learn how to do my own makeups. Maybe one day I will learn how to do it, but for now I don't know how to do makeup, and this is just my basic makeup routine for every day. First, I put the makeup primer on. I got this primer a while ago from MAC. I just put a little bit on my finger and primer my face. I have some blemishes on my face. My face has been messing up. It's been a while now. It has gotten a little bit better, so I usually use this from MAC. It's been a while, so I don't even know Steelo finisher concealer, but the lady told me that I can put it on my face in order to cover some of the dark spot. So this is what I do. Just put it on. Try to cover some of the dark spot on my face, especially over this side of my face. Cover it up. My body's off my face. I have a lot of blood. It's going away though. It was a lot at one point in my life, but now I don't complain much. Okay. After I do that, after I cover my face with this is from MAC. It's been a while, so I don't know the name of it. Now I'm going in with my makeup. This is a waterproof makeup. Okay, just put this. This is just my basic makeup routine. Just put that on you. I have been trying. I think I might go to makeup school more at one point. Not right now because I have so much going on right now. So maybe in the future I'll go to a makeup school. I've tried learning on YouTube, but it's still not working out yet. Still not working out. Well, this is what I do. Like for some people that out there is trying to do like basic makeup, all you need is your foundation, lip gloss, and this is my basic makeup routine. And don't come out there for me, yo. Don't come out there for me. Oh, those YouTubers, like some people go to school for makeup, some people are pro, but not your girl. Not your girl. And maybe if people like this video, I will try to do another one. But for now, this is what I do. Not that much. Not that much. And then once I'm done them, like I just got myself some concealer. So once I'm done that, I got this concealer from Sephora. Oh no, I got it from JCPenney. I forgot the name of it. I do that for my concealer. Yeah. I know I shouldn't do that, but I do it anyway. Like the girl was like, "Oh no, you don't want to do that." I'm like, "Wash me, child." And then I just go in with my sponge. Like I give it to all these makeup artists, like they are really good. They're good. I wish I had the time on my hand to actually sit down and learn. Cause knowing how to do makeup is really good. You don't have to keep paying people like me. Like if I have important function to go to, I end up paying. Like I don't have time to be paying people. I'd rather learn it myself. This is what all I do. This is it, guys. My basic makeup routine. Look. And then once I finish with them, I put on some powder setting. I got this powder setting from Colorpop No Filter Setting Powder. And I think the shade is Banana. That's what I got it in. And it's good. I like this setting. Just tap it a little bit, tap it on your hand. I'm trying. And now I gotta go back in there. Like I need to go on Colorpop to get me some spring lipstick. That's what I need to do. Go on them. And that price is really affordable. Like I literally just started collecting lipstick, and I just got into, like, most of the time I usually just put on my lip gloss and I call it a day. But now I try to get out of my comfort zone, you know. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out that's basically it, you. Do that. See that? I'm gonna go in there and blend it out more to make it even, to even it up. Okay, let me just with my brush. And then once I'm done with that, I like to put a little mascara on. I usually use this thing because, yeah, that's what I usually use, but let me try. I'm not even gonna bother. I wanna put on some lashes, but and then I go in with my I also got this from JCPenney too. It's the lip liner. I got it in dark brown. Anastasia. This is Anastasia lip liner. Not lip liner, eyebrow pencil for my eyebrow. But yeah, it's from Anastasia. I got it in dark brown. So just in case. Just do that. It's just a basic thing, so I really don't put much on there. That's it. Okay. That's it. And I put my lip gloss on. So this lip gloss, I got it from Colorpop. And the lip liner is also from Colorpop. What I do is just that's very too much. Okay. Do that. Yeah, this is what I do in my videos. That's about it. In my videos when I'm recording. And yeah, my hair is already done. This is my everyday makeup routine when I'm going out. Every day. So this is the finished products of my makeup, my everyday makeup routine. I usually do this makeup when I'm going out to the movies, going to the mall, or just doing grocery shopping and I feel like putting on makeup for that day. This is what I usually come up with. Not that much, just basic makeup routine for people who are just trying to put a foundation on their face and get out with their life. But when I'm going out to important events, I usually get my face done. I usually get my makeup done. And I usually pay the person. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button down below. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.